Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Mr. Tech Fox. Today, I'll show you how to add a Google Slides shortcut to your desktop, making it easier to access your presentations with just one click. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing for more tech advice. Alright, first of all, open your browser. So I'm gonna open here Chrome browser. And after then, you have to type on the address bar slides.google.com. So I'm gonna type slides.google.com. Press enter. And after opening this website, you have to click on the top right corner of three-dot icon. And here you have to select cast, save and share. After then, if you hover over here, you will see an option to create the shortcut. Normally click on that and click on create. And it will instantly create a shortcut on your desktop. And from now, if you click on this, it will automatically redirect you to slides.google.com. And that's all about today's video. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.